I am so frustrated, but the fight continues. The district attorney continues to not give me copies of body cam footage of my clients' cases. Specifically, and they've admitted to it, specifically they're doing it so that the embarrassing body cams will not be disclosed by either myself or my client and won't be posted on YouTube. I have a history of posting things on YouTube. It's completely legal. It's completely ethical. There's nothing wrong with it. In fact, myself and my client have a First Amendment right to post it for police accountability. But the district attorney is refusing to give me copies of video. Instead, they want me to use evidence.com. Evidence.com is a third party that's controlled by Metro. And in order for a defense attorney to use it, we have to agree to terms and conditions, which include the fact that they make us promise that we will not disclose any of these videos publicly. Then they also make us consent to monitoring. They get to monitor our usage. Not only that, they get to, quote, collect data, unquote, on our usage. Every time you go onto evidence.com and you view a video, it collects that data. It collects exactly what happened, what you saw, how long you saw it. The police and the district attorney have access to this information. So how is that fair? How does that not violate attorney work product when the opposite side gets to see what you see? Now, it'd be different if the defense was allowed to download that video and then we could watch it anytime we want, right? I'd still have issues with the whole monitoring, and I'd have issues with the promise not to disclose. I'd have to challenge that. But them being able to monitor specifically and collect data on what we do, and the other side to be able to see it, that's just wrong. So I have refused to sign up for the terms and conditions of evidence.com. I just won't do it. This issue has gone before multiple judges. It first went before Judge Letizia, and Judge Letizia agreed with me that the statute says that the prosecutor must allow us to both inspect and to copy, so ordered that we get copy of body cam footage. So we won. And then it went to Judge Zimmerman on this case, the Trice Rasul case. Trice Rasul is a police accountability activist. He got lots of video, damning video, embarrassing video for Metro. But Metro won't give us their video, which I think will show a different perspective and show us a lot more. They're making me, if I want to see it, go to evidence.com to see it, which I will not do. I just won't do it. So anyway, Judge Zimmerman didn't rule on the substance of the motion. She refused to. Instead, she denied my motion specifically so that we would appeal and a higher court would decide it. So I did exactly what the judge said. I appealed it. Went before Judge Scotty, and Judge Scotty looked at the statute and says, no, you can't appeal it. There's no jurisdiction to appeal it. But he converted it to a writ of mandamus, a writ for extraordinary relief, so that it could be heard. And then today, we went to Department 18, and the judge denied the writ of mandamus, saying it was extraordinary relief, that Judge Zimmerman's decision was not arbitrary nor capricious, so therefore she wasn't even going to hear it. She would not hear the underlying facts of this case. So now we go back to the Justice Court and have to figure something out. The fight's not over, but the prior restraint, that is the state of Nevada, refusing to give us copies specifically because they don't want these copies disclosed to the public or posted on YouTube, stands. And that's frustrating. The courts have called prior restraint evil. And for some reason, that's okay. I don't think it's okay. So I'll continue to fight.